Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Tiffanie, and today we'll be making orange shortbread. In the hand mixing bowl, add the butter, sugar, salt, and zest and mix together. Add in sifted flour in 3 stages. Mix until combined and no longer crumbly. Press dough into a sprayed pie tin and poke holes on the edge with a fork. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until cream colored, approximately 12 to 15 minutes. The center should be set when the cookie is done. Cut while warm into 10 triangles. To prepare the water icing, combine powdered sugar and orange juice in a bowl. Mix until combined and use to glaze the orange shortbread. Serve warm or room temperature with ice cream or whipped cream. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.